Hey guys, it's a Tubesday short. That's where I try to keep the videos under 3 minutes. So here we go. Today we got a mail call, and today it's from Double R Restorations. Russell, whoops, upside down. We're gonna get you on the toolbox back there, but real quick, a little bit about Russell's channel. He's right now restoring a 1972 Chevrolet Camaro. I don't know if it's a Z28 or not, but 383 stroker build, turbo 400. That motor's got 10-to-1 compression. Pretty cool channel. I mean, he's going all in on this thing, top to bottom, left to right, new skins everywhere. Check out his channel. That's Double R Restorations. So let's get you up on the toolbox. Yeah, so Russell's channel was one of those that before this crazy 1,000 subscriber thing happened, there I am. I had made it a goal for the New Year's to send out 3 stickers a month, and Russell was one of the first guys I sent it to. So Russell, I'll put you up on the toolbox. But yeah, just a little bit about the 1,000 subscriber situation where I'm at. Look, I still don't think I'm gonna get there, but I keep saying this is still gonna be some of the best growth I've done in a long time or ever. So I mean, I've picked up 32 subscribers, and we're literally 1 week from the news breaking on my end. But real quick, I gotta finish up with one other thing. Alright, so guys, if you're interested in scoring a free GoPro, I suggest you go over and subscribe to AK Camaro 2017. He's got a giveaway going right now. He's trying to pick up subscribers, just like the rest of us. But mention I sent you guys, because when you do that, you get more entries in his thing, and so do I. So if you can mention I sent you, then I'll leave a link in the description below for his video. And then the final thing, I got some big news coming up here on the channel, and I hope that's the next video, but I just want to kind of give you guys that teaser that we've got some big changes coming for the channel, and I'm pretty stoked about them. But that's going to do it until next time. Peace out.